guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Des, and together with my partner Abby and our beast Shadow, we live off-grid in our little tin shed on wheels. I have a love for photography and the outdoors, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me as we explore this amazing country. Let's get into this week. Alright guys, here we go, starting the trek to Wankaroo Falls. Should be a good one today. It's a beautiful day. Oh man, straight away, this trail is beautiful. How's this place? It's already like way different to the hikes that I've done before in the area. Amazing, let's go. Alright, we're about, 30 metres in and first creek crossing. And it's absolutely gorgeous as well. Oh man. You'd be happy even just coming in here and staying here for the day, eh? So, apparently this is a 35 metre single drop waterfall. So it should be amazing once we get there. I mean, it's meant to be a little bit sketchy to get down into it, to get to the bottom of it to have a swim, but we'll see. Now this place has huge cultural and spiritual significance for the indigenous people of this area. It was also used by Chinese gold miners back in the day too. That's why there's a Chinaman's Beach. This track follows an old songline that used to link the Bora grounds via Wankaroo Falls and Machupa Falls. Now this track was not only a main highway for the Aboriginal people back in the day to get through to the tablelands, but it was also used by the early European settlers. The track actually led across the other side of the river and into the old mining township of Towalla. You know we're going to come back and get you. Now that track's been closed due to cyclone damage. But 20 years ago, this place was pumping. There was school camps and all sorts going on up here. Man, that bit was fun. How's that little muddy section in here? More of these beautiful big trees. Like, how's the size of this one, dude? Just followed a little side track with the pink tape. The main track's like right there. Comes out to this, man. Look at that. Now I'm not going any closer because I don't know about crocs in here, but I mean, to me that looks like prime croc territory, but I honestly have no idea. So I'm just going to stay back here. But oh, look at the reflections in there, man. That's absolutely amazing, dude. The colour of it too. More beautiful scenes in the rainforest. I don't think I'd ever get over these colours. Man, I've been loving all the moss, the different types of moss and stuff on the trees. I mean, obviously you can't see it on this camera, but yeah, it does change a lot. How's this out here, dude? Now, I am doing this in the dry season. It's actually the end of August right now. I imagine if you were doing this in the wet season, this would be full on. But right now, I've seen like hardly any wait a while, no stinging trees. Trail's easy as to follow. I haven't even had to look at the map to see where I'm going. So yeah, because this is an unmarked trail too. Just come to this top bit where there's some peak tape and some red tape, and the trail keeps going straight on, but then going by the map you turn off down the pink tape and you can see there's more pink tape down there. So yeah, I'm pretty sure even when I was reading on All Trails they were saying take this left, so we'll take this and see what happens. Oh man, I can hear it. And I can see some water right here. Yoo-hoo! We're not there yet, but there is this smaller waterfall just here. Thought I might play around with some compositions on this one too. Man, I love these birds. Look at this, dude. So cool. This trail's a little bit slippery along here so far. We're just following the river down. See how she goes. Look how beautiful it is just on the top here. Like even if you came hiking to here and you didn't want to go down right to the bottom, even just here's one. And then yeah, like you wouldn't even notice. Look how calm it is. Okay, here's the bit people were talking about. There's like, yeah, this rock section here. See, there's like a thin rope going down. And yeah, if it was wet, man, this would be sketchy as, but because it's dry for me, it's actually alright. Like, yeah, there's a fair drop off here, but like if you fell off, it'd just probably hurt. Man, having this rope makes it way easier, that's for sure. It got stuck on my tripod. Stupid thing. Man, the sound of it from down here is way different from up top. So good. What a trail, man. And I got the whole thing to myself too. Someone missing a selfie stick? How's this thing, dude? She's even got the old duct tape on it to hold it together. Thanks. I've been walking around here just getting a bunch of different shots. This water is absolutely beautiful. I really like the one that I got from back here, leading up to the waterfall. And this huge tree that's like fallen down here. Yeah, there's so many compositions here. I'm gonna also go in behind, there's a cave behind the waterfall, I'm gonna go check that out. But first, I might go for a swim. Oh man, it's so cold. It like took my breath away. Whoa. So refreshing though. Beautiful once I'm out. see if we get some more photos, eh? How's it do? Mate, the camera's getting a bit wet here. It's so slippery. Mate, this place is unreal. I've been snapping off shots with the action cam because it's such a wide angle. Alrighty, time to refill some water. I just use the Sawyer Mini filter. That way. Light as, easy. This thing's pretty shitty, but yeah, just takes a bit of extra time. How's this day, dude? The sun is shining. Woohoo! Alrighty, it's time for me to leave this amazing place. I don't really want to, I kind of want to do some more, but I've been stuffing around at this waterfall for so long now, I haven't even checked the time. I said I'd be about 5 hours. I reckon it's going to be more like 6 or 7 because I've been here for so long. Although I'm just going to cruise back like pretty quickly. I might film some of it, especially me just climbing up this bit where you've got to use that nylon rope and stuff to get up. Got some thoughts on this hike. I've just been walking and thinking like I do. And yeah, this is amazing. You know, on all trails, there's reviews saying all sorts about this trail. You can't really listen to any of those. I'm sure that other people would have done this when it's not a day like this, man. Like, look at this, I've got the perfect weather. It's a nice steady incline and you don't lose it at all. So if you're into hiking already, this would be perfect. Like, it's amazing. Tell you what, I must have walked through at least 30 spider webs, and they've even made webs again, like for the way back. They're quick. They're only tiny little spiders though. See, I got one on me now. Yeah, it's fine. Be a bit different if they were those massive ones. I haven't even seen any big ones up here yet. Just like I still haven't seen any crocs either. But yeah, I'm cruising back. I think I'm shouldn't be too far from the car, but don't actually know for sure. Here we go, guys, coming out the other side. Here we go. Another amazing hike done. Coming out into the open. Whew. Tell you what, I'm bloody hungry. I only bring one sandwich with me. I definitely can't wait for some food. And maybe a beer. Still, look at this day, man. shadow. Look at him. Oh, bud, you're a freak. It's another beautiful morning here on the Tropical Flower Farm. We're only here for another couple of days, and right now I'm about to head off in the van. We're heading off to photographs. Alright, got some new friends. This is Tal and Shai from Israel, and we're heading off to see if we can get some photographs of some cassowaries. So that should be awesome. Hopefully we actually see some today. Woo! Alright, we're out here on Etty Bay Beach. Look at this place, man. It's absolute paradise. How's this, guys? Look, the cassowaries right there. Just been chilling here for a while, trying to get shots of this cassowary. It's beautiful just watching it. Man, that was awesome. We got to see a cassowary, and this place is just beautiful. This is probably the first beach I've found that's actually really nice. So yeah, able to swim, and you know, the palms, and yeah, it's just paradise. I think we're just gonna make our way back to the farm now. That's it for this week, guys. Cheers heaps for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe down below, give us a like, that'd be awesome. See you in the next one, guys.